morning, boys and girls, and welcome to math class. Today is lesson number 142. All right, boys and girls, take a look at my board. We are going to review counting coins in mixed order. All right, we have a set of coins that we need to make sure that we need to count them. In order for us to count them, we need to start with the greatest value of coin to the least value of coins. So Miss Ajors are able to move the coins around. But however, if your coins are on your paper, you can't move them around. So what you should do is number the coins you're going to add and count. Okay? So right now we have quarters, nickels, dimes, and pennies. So we need to order it from greatest to least. The greatest value. So the greatest value of coins we have are the quarters. The quarters. So we have 2 quarters. So you can number it 1, 2, and then move on to the next one. You count this 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, if you want to do it that way, if it's not so confusing. Or another way you can do is draw the coins. And then once you draw the coins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I forget one? 2 quarters, a dime, 2 nickels. So you make sure you don't make that mistake. You go back and look to make sure you draw a circle for each coin. And then now your coins are in order, and now you'll be able to count the coins. So that's a tip that I can offer for you. So now since I can move mine around, I'm gonna go ahead. So the dime has a greater value than the nickel. So I'm gonna move my dime over here and put the nickel here. And now I should be from greatest to least. Let's erase this so you guys won't be confused. All right, so remember when we're counting, we need to change the counting pattern. We're gonna count by 25s, then we're gonna change the pattern and count by 10s, and then we're gonna change the pattern and count by 5s, and then when we get here, we change the pattern and count by 1s. All right, count with me. 25, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72. I have 72 cents. All right, let's just double check. 25, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72. So 72 cents. And we're going to do the same thing here for these coins. Remember, you can write out your coins from greatest value to least and be able to count your coins. But I'm gonna move it around. My quarter is the greatest value, the quarter is here, so I'm gonna leave it there. The penny is the least value, so I'm gonna move the penny. And I'm going to swap it with my dime. And put it here. So now we are in the right order from the greatest value to the least. So remember, we're changing our counting pattern in order for us to count our coins. So we're gonna change for 25, counting by 25, then counting by 10s. Then we're gonna change to counting by 5s, and then counting by 1s. All right, 25, 35, 40, 41, 42. We have 42 cents. There we go. And that's how you will count your coins in mixed order. So now we're going to review carrying to the tens place. Now I bet you guys are a pro at it. So go ahead and do this on your own. 34 plus 47. All right. What's 4 plus 7, boys and girls? 4 plus 7 is 11. So you put the 1 in the ones place. You carry the other one to the tens place. Now I'm going to add, starting with the tens place, starting with the number in the carrying box. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And 4 plus 4 equals 8. So therefore, 34 plus 47 equals 8. All right, go ahead and do the next one. 28 plus 54. All right, boys and girls, what's 8 plus 4? 8 plus 4 is 12. You put the 2 in the ones place, you carry the 1. What's 1 plus 2? Yes, 1 plus 2 equals 3. And what's 3 plus 5? Yes, 3 plus 5 equals 8. So therefore, 28 plus 54 equals 82. All right, boys and girls, now we're going to listen to some story problems that have some extra facts. That is not needed. So I'm going to read it twice. The first time I read it, you're going to listen to the information that is not needed. And the second time I read it, you're going to read to solve the problem. All right, the first story problem. Alex's mother made 7 hot dogs, 5 hamburgers, and 8 ear of corns for supper. How many pieces of meat did Alex's mother make? Now, boys and girls, what information was not needed? Yes, the 8 ears of corn is not needed. I'm going to read it again so you can tell me the combination. Alex's mother made 7 hot dogs, 5 hamburgers, and 8 ear of corns for supper. How many pieces of meat did his mother make? The answer is 12. The combination is 7 plus 5 equals 12. Once again, the combination was 7 plus 5 equals 12. Listen to the next story problem. Tanya read 8 books for the reading contest. Alex read 5 books. Tina read 2 more books than Tanya. How many books did Tina read? Or how many books Tina read? What information was not needed? I'm going to read that again. Tanya read 8 books for the reading contest. Alex read 5 books. Tina read 2 more books than Tanya. How many books did Tina read? What information was not needed? Right. The 5 books Alex read was not needed. What's the combination? Tanya read 8 books for the reading contest. Alex read 5 books. Tina read 2 more books than Tanya. How many books did Tina read? The answer is 10. The combination is 8 plus 2 equals 10. And finally, our last story problem for today. The pet store had 3 parrots, 2 puppy dogs, and 4 canaries. How many birds did the pet store have? What information is not needed? Yes, the 2 puppy dogs is not needed. The pet store had 3 parrots, 2 puppy dogs, and 4 canaries. How many birds did the store have? The answer is 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. All right, boys and girls, thank you for participating in math class today. That is our time for math. Have a good one. Bye-bye.